It is a Friday and I am done with work, so super excited. So I have half day to really just get errands done, get things done. So I am going to do my nails at home. I have some ladies night tonight and then also this weekend, so really excited. So I have to get ready. I have the soak off gel nail polish, so I'm a bit excited for that. I have decided to use two colors, so let me show you. Alrighty, so this is the base coat and then the top coat. My brushes, this is the nail cuticle oil, and this is the color. This is the white one, and then this is the neutral. It's more of like a camel-ish kind of color. Really pretty, so I'm excited. I have my cotton balls or cotton pads just in case, and then I have my acetone in case I mess it up and need to clean things up. And here is my LED light or lamp light. I am now getting ready. My nails are all cleaned up right now, and I love how long it is. That way it just looks really pretty with some color decoration. So let's get started. So I have everything I need. I am now going to open this acetone in case if I do mess the nails up, I can clean it up along the way. Okay, put it right here. I'm now going to clean my nails with alcohol. That way it removes any oil here, so it allows the gel nail to stick better. So I will be right back. Alright, my nails are all cleaned up with alcohol. I'm just now allowing it to dry before we start the process. And now I'm going to do the base first. Alright, let's go ahead and cure it. Alright, I am done on the right side and I am loving it. It is this beautiful French tip, and then the color over here, it's a nude tan flower and then a little bit of a white dot, and then I have two on here, so I have that for each of the nails. So love it. It is very elegant and I really hope this is gonna last for a while because I love it. And now I'm gonna do the right side. I will update in a little bit. Alright, it is done. I love it. Now the last step I would do is to put the nail and cuticle oil on my nails or on my fingers. That way it stays fresh and healthy. I was so worried how it would turn out, especially the art and the flowers, because doing on the left hands can be a bit tough, but it turned out good. I love trying new things. And I also love doing nails at home just because it saves money. I don't have to do any driving. Just really convenient, especially if I have everything already here. Alright, and then now just massage my nails so it'll be all good to go. I am so happy how it turned out. And you can see here the flowers are more of that nude cream color, so very subtle. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Love it so much. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Highly recommended. I'll put the information in the description if you want to purchase the kit as well. I have been using this so much and absolutely love it, and I look forward to trying some other colors as well. So now I am super hungry, so I'm actually going to get some food. This is our little picnic here, and the theme today is blue, like pretty much blue. And the park is so gorgeous, super green and luscious, and the weather is nice, breezy. Oh, such a good day. For the ladies' night or get together, I was planning to cook, but I didn't have time, so I went to the Mediterranean restaurant and ordered some few things. So I got 3 platters and then the chicken kebab. This is the quinoa salad. This is the couscous and the ratatouille. And then I got my pita over here. Oops, it's coming here. So pita over here. And then we got some other food there as well, so really excited here. And as a matter of fact, let me actually show my nails if it's visible. Obsessed with this. And also I'm really hungry, so I'm actually going to dig in, and then we'll be eating dessert together. Very excited. And then these lovely friends of mine, I haven't seen them in ages, where all 3 of us could be in the same room due to different circumstances. So just very glad and very pleased to see them this time around. So quality friends are important. This is the cleanest park I have ever been to. They have always taken care of the grasses, trees, always plant something new here, different flowers, and also some sunflowers. I mean, it's just such a wonderful kept park here. Love it here. I have done Bible study here, have walked here, have ran I have ran with friends here. Overall, this has been such a wonderful memory area that I get to have every year over and over again. Over there they have events, so there has been some time where movies were played there, so definitely a very entertaining park for sure. And then the museum is lovely. They have modern history arts, they have different events and exhibition as well, so just very cool. Okay, let's now go eat.
Brian's desserts are very decadent. These are definitely his best
beautiful
cream pies yet.
Yes, thanks Brian. Okay, so Oh, you know what we should do? Good afternoon. I just got done ready. A bit sleepy, of course. I stayed up so late last night editing the video, so yeah, because of that I woke up late, but I'm glad that I am up, done, and just ready for food. And also I need to do some grocery shopping today, so yeah, let's get ready. But beforehand, I want to show you my cute outfit. This is actually the outfit I will be wearing tonight for the ladies' night out. And yeah, we're going to Italian, and this is the cute outfit here. So this linen shorts over here, the top is from Reformation, so I can have it like this, or I can have the poofy sleeves up on the shoulder here, so either way is fine. But yes, excuse the mess, I just did some laundry, so everything is all over the place right now. But I just want to say hi first, so let's get some food and hopefully do some grocery shopping if I have enough time. And also, this is the new DIY nails I did last night, and I am loving it so much. It is so beautiful. I was debating whether to do this or to do something like brown or beige color, since the fall is coming. But we're not in the fall yet, and I want to enjoy the summer weather, so that's why I decided to do something French tip with some flowers. That way when the fall does come, and if this can stay until fall, then it's a good transitional color. So that's why.